Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2020 Range Rover Sport. So any screen, all we need to do, go on to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth's on, then we're watching out at the bottom, and here on the home screen, that's the home screen there, tap to connect phone. Use your device to search for Range Rover Sport. Range Rover Sport has come up. Click on Range Rover Sport. (584,031) pair, 584,031. So yes, pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. That's it. Barrie's iPhone connected. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio through the Bluetooth system in this 2020 Range Rover Sport. So we go to music, a record we'll like, look out at the bottom there, saying Range Rover Sport there. If I touch there, you'll see that's the volume there, iPhone speaker or Range Rover Sport. It's going to play through Range Rover Sport if I've got this set correctly. On media here, click media. We want source, Barrie's iPhone, and that's it. Favors, just turn it up. That's how you play music. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2020 Range Rover Sport. So Range Rover Sport will just forget this device, forget it. So that's it off my phone. I go to settings, go to phone settings, Bluetooth settings, and you'll see here pair phone or audio device, pair new device, paired devices. So we go to paired devices. It's showing my phone there. If I click on that, forget device here. But also, if you can't play audio or anything like that, just do exactly the same. Make sure there's a tick in audio, forget device. That's it gone.